अस्सलाम वालेकुम ख़वातीन व हज़रात, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ द आइसोलेशन सेंट्रल। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हमने इसको स्टार्ट किया था शो को जब हम लॉकडाउन में सारे गए थे, और पर्पज़ ये था कि हम कोरोना वायरस के दौरान कंस्ट्रक्टिव गुफ्तगू करें और जो लोग अपनी अपनी कैपेसिटी में काम कर रहे हैं उस सिलसिले में उनसे बुलाया जाए और बातचीत की जाए और देखा जाए कि उनका क्वारंटाइन कैसे गुजर रहा है। सबसे पहले मैं आपको जो आज के मेहमान हैं इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ। A lot of us know him already. It is kind of a fan by moment for me as well, क्योंकि back in the day साजिद एंड ज़ीशान हमारे बड़े फेवरेट बैंड हुआ करते थे और उनके साथ जो है हम लोग उनकी वीडियोस देखते थे। फिर एक मेरी बहुत फेवरेट वीडियो है वो इन्होंने डायरेक्ट की थी, तेरी परछाइयाँ बाय अली अजमत, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट वर्क्स। बहुत शौक से देखा करते थे। So, as आप लोगों ने गेस कर लिया है, ज़ीशान परवेज़ साहब हमारे साथ हैं। ज़ीशान इज़ अ फिल्म मेकर, ही इज़ अ म्यूजिशियन, ही इज़ एन एनिमेटर और आजकल एक स्टूडियो चला रहे हैं रोहन के नाम से, इफ़ आई एम नॉट मिसप्रोनाउंसिंग इट। बट सबसे पहले ज़ीशान, वेलकम टू द शो, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। सॉरी, आई थिंक हमारी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही थी। इज इट ओके?
Very much for having me. There's a little bit issue here.
कोई चल। सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए ज़ीशान की क्वारंटाइन कैसा जा रहा है आपका लॉकडाउन? थोड़ी सी डिस्टॉर्शन है। आपकी तस्वीर भी आई थिंक स्टक हो गई है। आप रीजॉइन कर लेते हैं कॉल। आई थिंक अब इट्स ओके।
नहीं, अभी ठीक हो गई, अभी ठीक हो गई। Yeah, it's fine now.
So
Apologies, I don't know what's happening.
No, it's okay. पाकिस्तान में आपको पता है चलता रहता है इंटरनेट इश्यूज। So सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये था कि हाउ इज क्वारंटाइन ट्रीटिंग यू? क्या मसरूफियत है?
जी, quarantine, it's, to be honest, I've always been a sort of a person who's always been at home. I work from home, so it has affected us on a lot of levels as well. But at the same time, I haven't let that sort of stop me from producing things, from creating. I'm generally at home producing things. So for all the people who know me, I've actually sort of associated myself in different projects. So I mean, that could be music related, that could be graphics, motion graphics, as well as animation. So I mean, I've used this time to just go into animating things generally, and particularly for coronavirus awareness, apparently. So that's what I've been essentially doing for some time now.
I think that could be a good starting point. सबसे पहले जो अभी आपकी recent animation वीडियो रिलीज हुई है, उसको हम पहले देख लेते हैं, and then we can talk about it and see how the process went.
Sure.
चल।
Definitely.
कोरोना वायरस पूरी दुनिया को अपनी तबाही की गिरफ्त में ले
भाई,
चुका
हम
है।
इतने खुश हैं कि हमारी बेटी की शादी आपके बेटे से हो रही है। जब मैंने इसे पहली बार देखा तो मैं उसी वक्त समझ गई थी कि ये जबरदस्त लड़का है, और मेरा अंदाजा हमेशा ही ठीक होता है।
अरे बहन, फिक्र ना करें, मेरा बेटा आपकी बेटी का खूब ख्याल रखेगा।
रुकें, ये शादी नहीं हो सकती।
या अल्लाह, मुझे मौत दे दे। मैं तो देखते ही जान गई थी कि ये मेरी बेटी के काबिल नहीं है।
साईं, ये तो हमारी इज्जत का जनाजा है।
ओए, ज्यादा सुल्तान रही ना बन, क्यों अपनी शादी खराब कर रहा है?
नहीं प्लीज, मैं शादी करूंगा तो इसी से ही करूंगा, नहीं तो इसकी याद में कुंवारा मर जाऊंगा। लेकिन यहाँ जिंदगी और मौत का सवाल है। कोरोना वायरस की वबा हर तरफ फैल चुकी है।
अबे शुक्र यार, तू आ गया, कुछ समझा इन्हें।
इस टाइम पर हम दावतें नहीं कर सकते।
बकवास कर रहे फ्रॉडिया, जरूर कोई इंग्लिस्तानी मेम का चक्कर है।
बात को समझने की कोशिश करें। ये सैकड़ों लोग जो जश्न मनाने आए हैं, इनमें से अगर एक को भी कोरोना हुआ तो ये वायरस सारे गांव में फैल जाएगा। कौन अपने वलीमे को लोगों का जनाजा बनते देखना चाहता है?
मेरी शादी मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे अहम दिन है, लेकिन मेरा खानदान और मेरी बिरादरी मेरे लिए ज्यादा हैसियत रखती है। मैं किसी को खतरे में नहीं डाल सकती। ये शादी रोकनी पड़ेगी, अपना टाइम आएगा।
सारे सुन लो, कोरोना की वजह से अपने बेटे की शादी मैं 2 साल बाद करूंगा।
ना, मैं लुट गया।
मुझे कुछ बोलने की इजाजत है? इस वक्त हर कोई अपने घरों में रहे।
कोरोना वायरस फैल रहा है तो हर कोई 20 सेकंड तक साबुन से हाथ धोए, जो कि आपको कोरोना वायरस के अलावा मजीद बीमारियों से भी बचाएगा और एक सेहतयाब जिंदगी देगा। जैसे ही कोरोना का डर खत्म हो, आप शादी कर लीजिएगा। हमें इस वायरस से लड़ना है और हम सब इसमें एक साथ हैं। हम जल्द जश्न मनाएंगे।
We are back. जी शान, आपको आवाज आ रही है?
जी हाँ जी
जी। अच्छा, इस वीडियो का मैं देख रहा था अभी शाम को, ये आपका लेटेस्ट जो अभी एनिमेशन रिलीज की है, सो अभी कोरोना के हवाले से है। तो ये तो हमें पता है कि इसका जो मकसद था और गोल था वो था अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना और एक करना। लेकिन अगर हम इसकी बात करें कि व्हाई दिस पर्टिकुलर आइडिया, हमने मतलब आपने जब टीम के साथ बैठ के ये क्यों सोचा कि हम इस सिचुएशन को कैटर करेंगे, इसमें क्या अपील थी, थोड़ा इस प्रोसेस के मुतालिक हमें बताइएगा, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे विजुअल स्टोरी टेलिंग की बात कर रहे हैं।
Ahmad, I'm so sorry, आपकी आवाज कट रही है, I couldn't understand. Can you kindly repeat the question, please?
जी जी, आई वाज सेइंग कि हमें इसके थोड़े प्रोसेस के मुतालिक बताइएगा। यू हैड द गोल कि हमने कोरोना के हवाले से एक जो है अवेयरनेस वीडियो बनानी है और एनिमेटेड वीडियो आपके पास थी, बट व्हाट वाज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? उसके बाद आपने इसको प्रोसेस को थोड़ा मैप आउट कीजिएगा हमारे लिए।
ठीक है, ओके। So basically, in these sort of videos, basically what happens is I think what we tend to do is out of many prevention methods, and I'm not an expert into this as well, but from what I know generally is that we keep one issue and focus that on at one time. जिस तरह हमने previously जो एक video में जो किया था, and the concept is spearheaded by Fasil Zaka, is what we did was we tried to work on just one issue, which was washing hands, right? Washing hands, and the whole scenario, whole setting was based on this concept of washing hands, and that too for 20 seconds. So that's why you have a badmash, and you wouldn't expect him to do anything, and he just sits down and haath dhone shuru ho jata hai 20 seconds ke liye. So that basically is the setting. In this very case, what we did was to actually talk about the need of not having events where a lot of crowds are going to be gathered at a time like this, at a time of crisis. So, uske saath saath, the wedding was the best case study example that we could actually revolve the whole thing around with. So, and when weddings are usually talked about, everything, we thought we'd just sort of make it dramatic and very dramatic, isn't it? Shaadi nahi ho sakti, right? So you can sort of work around that. So the idea of actually dramatizing the whole thing for this sort of a cause is something that we went for. But the idea generally is, to answer your question, is just to pick up one point and build up around that, rather than just talking about so many different things. I mean, there are a lot of wonderful things that a lot of people are doing right now to promote coronavirus awareness things as well over here in the country, and also all over Pakistan. There's a lot of people actually doing great stuff, and hats off to them. I think this was a contribution from our side.
अच्छा, इसमें एक चीज जो मैंने आपकी वीडियोस में देखी थी जनरली है, वो है ह्यूमर का थोड़ा इस्तेमाल। उसमें थोड़ा सा बीच में करते करते, जिस तरह आप बात कर रहे थे वो बदमाश वाली वीडियो की, उसमें जब वो पीक पे आते हैं एंड ही इज अबाउट टू स्क्रीम, तो द नेक्स्ट एंटी क्लाइमेक्स को अपने फटाफट हाथ धोना शुरू कर देते हैं। तो एकदम जस्ट लाइक आई थिंक जो लोग वहां पे थे उसके साथ साथ हम भी थोड़े देख रहे थे कि अच्छा ये क्या हुआ, मतलब जर्नली से टॉक अबाउट। सो अगर आप बात करो जो कंटेंट आप क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, स्पेशली जब हम बात करते हैं सोशल चेंज के हवाले से, अवेयरनेस के हवाले से, तो उसमें ह्यूमर का जो एलिमेंट है उसकी कोई खास वजह है, एंड हाउ डू यू पीपल यूज दैट?
So the thing is, when I founded my small studio Rohan back last year, so that was when we had done this awareness campaign, awareness PSA अपनी तरफ से बनाया था, which was on traffic, on observing traffic laws and being patient. Just the concept of being patient in the middle of a traffic jam. And that we did in Pushto. And so that was sort of like an experimentation, okay, whether this thing would work or not, whether we could actually use that model on things like this as well, and for other things. And I really felt, and that campaign was a hit actually with a lot of people, not just because that was the first time Pushto mein animation hui thi, but the fact that we could actually use humor to illustrate and prove a point कि Peshawar actually has had a very massive traffic problem. तो उसमें से अगर कोई और बंदा काटता है दूसरी तरफ से, उल्टे हाथ से जा रहा होता है, so that basically causes a traffic jam, जो कि 5 मिनट की ट्रैफिक जैम होती है उससे 45 मिनट बन जाते हैं। And we just thought कि यार just to put a humorous touch to it could work, and just like now with this campaign साबुन जमा कानून जो है right now, this is a very classic line which Fussy took and he sort of remodeled it कि यार आप पुश्तो में हम कहते हैं टोपक जमा कानून कि ये जो गन है that's my law, right? हमने साबुन मेरा कानून कर दिया उसे, so I mean it sort of worked and it's become a viral trend with a lot of people as well. So and I think it kind of works as well because there are a lot of people who've actually taken videos of their kids who sort of बच्चे कहते हैं साबुन जमा कानून and then they're washing their hands, right? So I mean we get these sort of stories as well. So I think it kind of works in some ways.
Right. अच्छा, इसी को अगर हम एक स्टेप आगे लेके चले, आपका नॉर्मल कंटेंट, आपने म्यूजिक वीडियोस डायरेक्ट की, यू हैव डन ऑल काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, अगर आप उस प्रोसेस को कंपेयर करते हैं इस प्रोसेस से, यानी कि अगर आप जब कंटेंट बना रहे हैं पब्लिक अवेयरनेस के लिए, सोशल चेंज के लिए, इज देयर अ पर्टिकुलर डिफरेंस डू यू सी, या इट्स मोर लेस द सेम कांसेप्ट एंड द प्रोसेस?
Gee, there is a lot of differences. I feel music videos are typically the way, I mean, that's the way as a director how you would approach things. As a storyteller and as a director, I actually value music videos a little bit more because they're much more experimental. There's a lot of edgy stuff that you can actually do and incorporate in your music videos. Just to give you an idea, a lot of things, just like and I'm so happy that you like that video, Teri Parchaiyan, right? I mean, if you can't, the dynamics of that music video are completely different from, say, making a PSA, which is much more awami oriented. You have to think and actually and sort of make something that the awam can relate to. That's why localized humor sort of comes into play as well. More excited than producing something in Urdu, I'm much more excited in making something in Pashto, in Sindhi, in Punjabi, in Balochi, and Saraiki, etc., etc. And I wish I can, and I hope I'm able to churn out the versions of all these slowly. But music videos, just to answer your question, it's a completely different dynamic. It's much more experimentation stuff that actually kicks in, and I think usi ke saath saath jo hai you're able to do much more. The other thing is obviously the time duration as well. A typical song is 3-4 minutes. Yeah. How much can you sort of put that time into giving your attention span towards a PSA, right? So that's a PSA would be approximately a sweet spot is 1 minute 30 seconds, 2 minutes, this type of cheese. So yeah, so there are completely different production techniques.
ठीक है, लेकिन अभी जो आप बात कर रहे थे वो हम ज्यादा बात कर रहे थे कि उसमें प्रोडक्शन वाइज टेक्निकल है. एज अ डायरेक्टर भी यू हैव अ चॉइस ऑब्वियसली कि आप एक म्यूजिक वीडियो कर रहे हैं तो आप उसको कंसीव भी वैसे करते हैं, लेकिन फ्रॉम अ वेरी आई डोंट नो क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस, आपके सामने एक टॉपिक आता है, आपके सामने एक जो है पब्लिक अवेयरनेस कैंपेन आई है, फॉर एग्जांपल कोरोना वायरस के ऊपर, एंड देन देयर इज म्यूजिक वीडियो और अ फिल्म. सो व्हाट्स योर फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट, व्हाट्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप जो आप लेते हैं एज अ डायरेक्टर इन योर माइंड?
For making a music video or just or a PSA like this?
Dono cases.
For music video, I have to genuinely like the song. I'll have to love the song, and it's supposed to be a song which I can actually say, okay, I did something for this. I actually have to genuinely believe in the song and also the band. More than the band, the song. Once I love the song, then I basically give a treatment to the musicians or the band or the artist, whoever. I'll give you an example. The song Bara Baje, which I'd done for Atif Aslam. I'd given him a visual treatment. This is how I want to approach it, and this is something which is not going to go so well with your fans because this is a rock and roll song, and iske saath saath jo hai the visual treatment jo hai it's going to be completely different. It's won't be like what you've done stuff done before. He was completely open to it. So sort of that's how medium that I gave him, and it was actually in the form of themes that I actually gave it to him in the form of a concept writing, etc. And then he was open to it. So I would actually approach it and defining what the world is for that music video. So इस तरह जो है ना इसमें अगर आप apply करते हैं, it would be towards actually settings, what we call settings के scenarios क्या होंगे, village, open fields for the coronavirus thing, and also in this case would be just like a village home where basically in-laws are meeting up.
Right. अच्छा, talking about social topics, आप do you pick and choose or
Are you there?
जी जी, can you hear me? Hello.
जी हाँ जी, there's sort of a bit of a lag. जी, there's a bit of I can hear you.
Okay, the problem net problem. अच्छा, मैं आपसे पूछा था कि टॉकिंग अबाउट जो आपका अवेयरनेस कंटेंट है, हमने जो आपका पहला आपने जिक्र किया वो ट्रैफिक के हवाले से था, देन देयर हैज बीन स्टफ ऑन कोरोना वायरस एज वेल. सो डू यू पिक एंड चूज योर टॉपिक्स, या जो आपके सामने चैलेंज रखा जाता है देन यू गो फॉर इट? आर देयर सम स्पेसिफिक सोशल कॉजेस दैट आर क्लोजर टू योर हार्ट?
नहीं जी, I sort of pick and choose in the sense that जो हम deliver कर सकते हैं. I think I wouldn't want to get myself into something which will not be able to, at least my mind will not be able to be accepted by mass audiences. So I mean, हम हर किस्म की चीज, I don't think I'll be able to do that generally. We try our level best, but at the same time, I would say that there's certain areas where I don't think I'll be able to do that. It all depends जी on the brief that sometimes that we get. अभी तक जो हमने अभी किए हुए हैं PSAs, all of them were in-house. And there are things that we've always believed in. Those are passion projects. Corona वाला जो था ये, this was an in-house project, not the one that you saw. It was the Pabi Kavan Marsh वाला. Traffic वाला जो था, that was an in-house thing. Aerial firing वाली जो थी, that's something we fundamentally believe in. We need to work on aerial firing laws that prevent those, because से कितने deaths होते हैं. So that was something which we did, and that was something which was a very quick turnaround project, because in the room India Pakistan का match हो रहा था. So we wanted to release something from our end. तो वो हमने वो किया था. The one that you just saw, this is the very first project that was picked up by the EU and the Sindh government. So उनकी तरफ से भी directive एक था कि this is what we want as well. So we sort of gave our version as well कि this is what we want to do and stuff, and they were pretty much okay with it.
Okay. अच्छा, अपने स्टूडियो के हवाले से थोड़ा बताइएगा हमें, क्या आपके गोल एंड एम्स हैं और क्या अब तक काम किया है, एंड व्हाट यू हैव बीन अप टू? क्योंकि आप जिक्र कर रहे थे टीम है, इन हाउस काम हो रहा है, स्टूडियो.
So the studio that I have, small setup studio, and it's I mean घर से and essentially काम करने से sort of like a disrupt kind of way of working, but it's just me working with other artists online. And what we do is work with different illustrators, musicians, motion graphic artists, etc., and sort of building things up. I primarily, being an animator, sort of take that lead on that, and basically I work with a lot of people as well, selected people, but you know, the people that I've been working a lot with. One of them is Salman Ghafoor. He's a musician, he's a music producer, he's done all the scores of all the things that you've seen as well. I collaborated with this talented artist from Karachi. He's an environmental illustrator. His name is Samad Rizvi. He's super talented. And I just got to meet him just because of this project. And this was our very first project together. So it was really cool to work with. So this process, what I really like as well, I also get to collaborate with a lot of artists as well from here and there. And sort of, you know, it helps me sort of bridge connections as well on the go. And ये एक ऐसी बात भी है कि इतने limited time में जो है ना, आप you're sort of churning out a lot of these things. So more than the studio space or etc., what we emphasize on is workflow. And I keep on saying this to everyone: if you have the workflow planned like anything, you can actually minimize time and actually produce efficiently, and therefore actually make animated content in very jaldi. So it doesn't have to be a very time-intensive project, but it could just be a quick thing.
इस पे आगे अब क्या प्लान कर रहे हैं अंडर द स्टूडियो? आप और पब्लिक अवेयरनेस कंटेंट कर रहे हैं? आर यू गोइंग टू सेट अप अ प्रॉपर ऑफिस में भी फुल टाइम, और व्हाट्स द प्लान?
Gee, we're in the process of in fact it's almost pretty much done. There's an office that we're looking at as well, that will basically be able to accommodate other people that we work with as well, and other people who work at Studio Rohan. There's my wonderful editor, his name is Abu Bakr Siddiq. He works as well as an editor full time over here as well. And there's other artists as well who come in as well, and we sort of work together. There's basically we'll be able to sort of do film work as well, mixing, mastering of different songs for different artists. Rather than there's other animation work on the side that we're also sort of planning out as well. So we're sort of branching into it as well. because of how things are nowadays. It's limited. We just don't want to take too much chances. Otherwise, the plan was a couple of months back, we would have definitely shifted to a larger facility and we could actually accommodate a lot of people. But for the timing, it's slowly happening, inshallah.
It's going great, and I'm sure कि आप इस तरह का मज़ीद amazing content produce करते रहेंगे, and we are definitely looking forward to it. अच्छा, इससे अगर हम थोड़ा सा बात करें आपका जो let's move to music if that's okay. Because recently, of course, you made a comeback as a video producer for Coke Studio. का जो latest season आया था. So how was that experience coming after a couple of years? Was there a particular difference? Good, bad, and how did it go?
Working in Coke Studio is always a wonderful experience because it's just like another family that you're coming. I left in season 4. I came back again as the video producer, and it just haven't changed. It was wonderful through and through to be just with people around. Rohil Hayat, Kamal Khan, and Bilal Habib, and these guys. Kamal Khan is director for Lal Kaboota. Both of us actually were the video producers for this year. Bilal Habib is the editor, and there's wonderful people working on this project, making it together. So it was actually just beautiful coming back and just sort of looking at, just sort of shaping what Coke Studio, what it was when we did back then as well, and I've always liked the feel of Coke Studio evolving into different phases. When it was in the hands of Strings and also with Zohaib Qazi and Ali Hamzat has been great. So and this time we tried our level best to sort of give a treatment of very classical, mature feel to the overall product visually, and it was a great experience. Musically, जो है आजकल there are different things happening. So Sergeant Zishan are returning back.
Excellent.
We've recorded a couple tracks, and hopefully, if all is well, I have to work on non-stop for that. But hopefully, we'll be out with video very soon, inshallah. And that's for our upcoming album, inshallah. And uske saath there's other stuff that I'm doing. It's debut music for my instrumental album that I'm working on. And uske saath there's a lot of recordings happening as well. So वो भी एक back burner पे भी चल रहा है stuff.
Right. अच्छा, अब इसको हम ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं क्योंकि आपने हमें काफी ज्यादा माशाल्लाह गुड न्यूज़ दी है.
I thought so.
It's excellent. I'm definitely looking forward to the new album. But again, starting with Coke Studio, I remember जो पहला हमारा था, पहले 1-2 सीजन्स थे, उसमें I remember it was like the most basic set. अली अजमत और राहत फतेह अली खान वो दरमियान में as we call it तख्त पड़ा होता था, उस पे वो 2 लोग बैठे हुए हैं और उनके इर्द गिर्द लिटरली जो है वो 5 से 10 लोग खड़े हैं. एक वो बलोची बैंड होते थे हमारे, और एक रेड वॉल है, as simple as that. And they were producing the best of collaborations back then. Garaj Baras remains one of my all-time favorite जो उनकी collaboration थी. वहाँ से लेके अब फिर it has evolved through different music director and video directors and stuff like that. This time जो मुझे एक चेंज नजर आया था वो आप लोगों का था, वो आप लोग जैसे आपने कहा क्लासिकल टच पे गए थे, सेट वाइज भी एंड शॉट्स वाइज भी. उसमें आपको कालीन्स नजर आ रहे थे, आपको सेटिंग इस तरह नजर आ रहा था. वी वर ब्रेकिंग जो एक पहले बहुत टेक्नो इफ आई से हो गया था स्क्रीन एंड एवरीथिंग. सो वी आर गोइंग बैक टू बेसिक्स. दैट्स माय अजम्पशन. सो व्हाट द डेलिबरेट एक्ट, उसके पीछे क्या प्रोसेस था या क्या आप लोगों की डिस्कशन हुई कि व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन नाउ?
So in Coke Studio, what happens is the primary lead comes from what the music is all about. Always, every time, music is the primary leading factor that lets us define the theme, the look, the whole conceptual angle of the season itself. While listening to the songs, that's when the artists are rehearsing, that's when we get a good idea of what the visual representation of those songs is going to be. So हमने जब गाने pretty much सुने भी थे beforehand, we actually sort of knew which direction we were going into. So it's a lot to do with a lot of the feel of the songs that actually determines a lot of things like the pacing of the edits, the production design, beautifully done by Tania Mirza this season. And a lot of things, basically, generally lighting, mood lighting, etc., etc. उस तरह की चीजें. And when we listen to the songs, I think that was the sort of thing that we sort of look at. We didn't look at a lot of flashy elements. If you look at this season, बिल्कुल कोई flashy elements कोई है नहीं इसमें बिल्कुल. It's a complete simple look, and that's the kind of thing that we looked at based on the songs that we listened to.
Okay, sounds good. और अब आप continue कर रहे हैं. We are allowed to discuss that next season पे. Are you returning? Or अभी it's under in pipeline?
हम कर रहे हैं जी. We are in the talks as well. Unfortunately, crisis of mode आ गए, so everything's come to a halt. देखते हैं कि क्या हालात होते हैं and stuff as well. But hopefully, inshallah, when everything is fine, inshallah, when we come back to our normal routine and stuff, inshallah, when everything comes back, तो inshallah.
As we call it, हम लोग एक नए normal की तरफ जा रहे हैं. We won't be going back to the way life was. So जो भी नया.
I don't know what the नया normal. I keep on hearing this term कि नया normal क्या चीज़ है. मुझे डराती भी है क्या कि we're going through the नया normal. कि इसका क्या मतलब है. I don't know what I'd like to also hear your take on this. What the new normal would mean. What do you think?
I think for once एक चीज जो है वो hygiene probably उसकी एक awareness ज़्यादा चली जाएगी कि जो आप हाथ धोने की फॉरन बात करते थे. सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग माइट बिकम अ थिंग. थोड़ा मुश्किल है कि इसके बाद हमारी कल्चर भी आपको पता है गले मिलने से लेके सब कुछ इसमें लोग ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं अगर आप ना करें. बट डेफिनेटली आई थिंक दैट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स के एक तो पीपल विल बी मोर अवेयर अबाउट दिस थिंग्स के मुंह पे एक दूसरे के खांसे मत. और इसके अलावा जो है थिंग्स दैट शुड हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे वर्ड. So that might be thing, and I really hope कि हम लोगों के जिस तरह हम लोगों ने ये एक environment के लिए भी और वैसे भी कि जो हम लोग देखते हैं कि आप मीटिंग करने जा रहे हैं आधे घंटे की बिला वजह, lot of things can be done remotely as well. So I really hope that is one of the ways हम लोग करें and we can save energy and our time and everything. So I don't know. That's what I think right now. God knows how it's going to look a few months later.
And if I were to ask you, do you think when do you think this whole thing would subside? I like hearing it from people as well. When do you think when this whole thing would be done? Do you have any idea? What in your mind at least?
To be honest, I don't think Corona is going anywhere now. Because it will become part of our life. Hopefully, we will find a vaccination and उसके साथ फिर हम करेंगे. बट यहाँ पे मेरा जो एक दुखती रग आप कह लें जो भी है वो ये आता है कि हम लोगों के पास पोलियो की वैक्सीनेशन भी कितने सालों से है. पाकिस्तान इज स्टिल फाइटिंग वॉर अगेंस्ट पोलियो. सो इट्स रियली कम्स डाउन टू द फैक्ट कि ये कोरोना इज नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर. बिकॉज अब देखिए आप बॉर्डर खोल देते हैं फॉर इंस्टेंस, इवेंचुअली जो कि सारे मुल्क खोलेंगे, यू विल गो फॉर अ ज़ियारत, यू विल गो टू अमेरिका, यू विल गो टू सऊदी अरेबिया. क्या गारंटी नहीं कि वहां से एक बंदा भी वापस नहीं ला सकता. सो the only solution is कि हम लोग global कुछ हम इसकी vaccination बनी तो बनी, but corona is not going anywhere. It will at least take a year. और अभी 2-3 महीने बाद तो we'll start looking at the mental health problems जो भी निकलेंगी, जो लोग already struggle कर रहे हैं. Financial हमने अभी इसके breakdown और निकालने हैं problems, तो it's here for a while. I don't think it's going anywhere near.
यार अल्लाह खैर करे.
जी अल्लाह खैर करे. दुआई
Strange times.
अच्छा, सेकंड क्वेश्चन मेरा अब आपका आता है म्यूजिक वाली साइड पे. सो व्हाई सच अ लॉन्ग ब्रेक? आपकी लास्ट एल्बम इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग 2008 में आई थी?
नहीं, 2011 में आई थी. 2011 2012 या. सो
रिटर्निंग फुल बैक आफ्टर अ डेकेड. सो क्या सोच थी पीछे और क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
यार plain and simple, there are no excuses, but plain and simple ये था कि मैं और साजिद हम दोनों चले गए थे कनाडा.
Right.
In 2013, we were there in Canada for approximately 5 years or so. We were in different coasts. He was on the East Coast, I was on the West Coast. It was literally impossible for us to do anything. उसके साथ जब हम वापस आए, तो it's then when we decided. But the thing is, probably उसमें ये भी थोड़ा सा delay आता है because I'm invested in so many other things as well. So that also is a bit of a delay from that side as well. Like I'm invested in animations and music videos for other people. So उसके साथ भी जो है that takes a toll on the scheduling as well. but ये है कि we had decided कि once it was 2018 the timing is right. I think अच्छा है he does. Sajid is the songwriter and he composes all the tracks as well. So I think as well sort of contributed to wonderful songs that you get to hear. Are you there?
जी आई थिंक आवाज थोड़ा लैग आ रहा था, स्टक हो गए थे, बट मैं ब्रेक होके आ रही थी. सो या
Do you want me to repeat that again or
आईडी अगर कर दें, बिकॉज़ बड़ा ब्रेक होके समझ आया था मुझे.
should I repeat that again? Sorry.
जी please.
Sure. So basically I don't know where you got that from, but basically me and Sajid went to
Yeah,
Canada.
Canada से came back.
So
वहाँ तक I heard.
was exactly so what I was saying ki, I think I'm glad we went over there as well, because Sajid being the songwriter and the composer as well, I think he also took this time to sort of not that he needs it, it's also is I think the fact that we had a break as well will sort of contribute towards the beautiful songs that you get to hear, inshallah.
So what can we expect? Is there a particular new direction you are taking? कोई नई concept है? What can we expect from the album? From जो हमने सुनी हुई है आपसे पहली दो album.
Yeah, always it's following our sound. We don't have a signature sound as such as well, but I think it also revolves around a lot of electronic music that you get to hear as well nowadays. Not mainstream pop songs, I would say, but it's a lot of electronic usme hua hua hai, and it has it's away from pop music generally. I pop music for me actually has a different place altogether. So I listen to a lot of electronic stuff that a lot of wonderful people are producing nowadays globally. So, and we're trying to sort of come up with a new sound. So let's see. I think pretty much what we're looking at an Eid release. If all is well, most probably an Eid release would be for our latest track. Inshallah.
So I think internet issues बहुत हैं, but before wrapping up, I just wanted to ask, you have an album on your plate, you have a lot of videos. Is there anything we missed? Is there anything you want to share as well? जिस पे आप और काम कर रहे हैं and we should expect it from you in coming days?
Yeah, there's this a web series that I'm working on, and it's very close to my heart. So I hope if all things are good, so hopefully, inshallah, by the end of this year or so, it will get released, inshallah. So I won't give too much details, but yeah, that's something which we're working on. So let's see if that happens at the end of this year. So I hope you guys like that.
Thanks, sir. All the very best. But you know, I have to ask, इतने सारे projects इकट्ठे parallel में कैसे चलाते हैं आप?
Yeah, it's just we're so used to working non-stop. So I mean, it's just normal for us, I guess. लगे रहते हैं, and it to be honest, we just like I feel happy when I'm creating things. That's just me. So whenever जब नहीं होता, when I'm not making something, when I'm not involved in something, that's also मैं depressed होता हूँ, मैं खफा होता हूँ. I try my level best to keep myself involved in as much as projects as possible. But obviously, giving every project the attention it deserves. All good. Inshallah, फिर मिलेंगे इसी ठीक ठाक मिलेंगे.
Thank you.
Take it, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much for having me over. Thank you.